talking, yeah. How you don't talk it?
Hey, I didn't see you guys. A better the trimmer, a better the hedge. Groundsman is your man. Our duty creates the beauty.
Our grounds team makes sure our grass cutting and mowing is done to its perfection and maintained every fortnight. Our gardens are the image of our resort for guest first impression. Hedging and trimming is done fortnightly, which ensures from this finer detail of the garden maintenance we do. Our objectives of keeping them is sustained. All our green waste on the property are taken to the Manatiaki area to dispose and taken off property to the green waste twice a week. Our grounds and engineering rubbish days for Manatiaki duties are Tuesdays and Fridays. This includes cleaning and sorting out rubbish that needs to be recycled. And not forgetting our jumping rail that keeps our skip compacted. First job of the day for engineering is ensuring our pool is looking spotless and clean.
Kia rana. We always make sure that our pool is kept crystal clear for our guests to come and enjoy of what they deserve.
Daily room checks are done according to our daily listings for arrivals and departures, and making sure all rooms are up to standards and ready for our guests with no faults or issues.
Checking out the ACs today, making sure they're all running smooth.
We clean and maintain our filter cleaning around the property, which includes 2 gas drinking water station filters for our kitchen and also for the water filter stations near Beach Hut and the poolside area. Our 24-hour standby generator is being tested and looked after for any emergency for power shutdown. Our chief engineer Parmish that ensures everybody is touched up. And on this side is Sandy, our grounds and engineering assistant that ensures everything is being executed.
One team, one dream.